Hey everybody, it's your friend Rainbow Pie, and we are going to be playing Will You Press the Button for this time. And let's get started. You get one wish. You can wish for literally anything, but one other person will receive the result of your wish and try to kill you using it. And I will not. Because, think about it. I don't really want to die for some sort of wish. Even if it's anything. I'm going to say... Where's my mouse? I'm going to say that that's bad. You get the ability to control the time. Each time you use it, a person you know dies. Oh, jeez. I love my family and friends. I can't. That one's a good one, though, I must say. You would stay as young and healthy as you are now. You can only live 10 years after the button is pressed. I want to live with my family and friends while I can. That one's a good one, though. If I didn't have any family or friends, I would definitely do it. Can learn anything in a minute. How to play a sport, how to cook, etc. Like something. Lasts for 1 month and then disappears forever from your mind. Can be learned another time. I'm pressing a lot of I will nots, but whatever. You can buy everything in the world for free. You will never get a girlfriend. Oh, okay, that's fine by me. I'm a girl, and I'm not gay. Yay, like, exactly, nest, or I'm sorry if I said that wrong. That one's good, because if you're a boy, obviously. Auto-tune is never invented. Justin Bieber becomes 20 times as popular. You know what? I hate Justin Bieber. Auto-tune isn't really that bad. Bad because everybody hates him. You are incredibly... Okay. I am gay, though. Own all the games, but you can only own one console. I'm fine with that. PC. Keep upgrading it forever. Exactly. Your waifu becomes real. Whenever you see her, you transform into a 3-story dragon and locked into your current emotion at the time elevates to dangerous levels. No thanks. You are the smartest person in the world. No one will ever know and you work a medical labor job for your entire life. I don't know what that is. So basically my life. You go to any college of your desire for free. You have no social life, not even with your roommate. You know what? I'm doing it. You get a pair of shoes that make you dance like, I don't want to Michael Jackson. All amazing dancers combined in one. They are a pair of bright pink. Oh, okay, I'm cool with that. Oh, wait, no. You learn with with 100 celebrities, and then everybody about you owned current of the relationship true. I don't know what that means. I don't know. You get a free car, but it's... I'm gonna press it. I don't know, guys, if I made that wrong comment. You become a superhero with enough money to afford